every one of your team members is part of your brand. So who do you send out into a meeting, both with investors and entrepreneurs? Who do you hire as part of your brand? Anything from the reception to the back office to the partners. So getting a culture and the people, thinking of your people as being part of the brand is super important. And you can certainly expand your brand and your message over time, but you need to identify what are your core elements of that brand. Consistency is important, so get the right team, establish a consistent message, and deliver it consistently. And eventually you can incorporate others over time, but do it in a systematic and a slow, in a way that sort of builds upon the elements that you've established, and have a clear, differentiated brand out there. You don't want to be one of 20 investors or investment firms in a drawer. They cannot tell you from the other 18. We want to be different. We want to be top-tier private equity, but we want to be fun. We want to be vibrant. We want to be different. And putting all that into what you do, into your office, into your people, into how you convey your documents, what kind of presentations, everything is what encompasses, we think, the beginnings of a brand in financial services.